Welcome to ArtMagic.
This is a step-by-step guide on how to draw an Easter egg basket. Each egg will have its special design to spark creativity. Start by drawing an oval shape for the base of the basket. Add 2 curved lines on each side of the oval to form the basket's handles. Draw vertical lines along the sides of the oval to create the woven texture of the basket. Draw various egg shapes inside the basket. Make each egg unique by adding swirls, dots, stripes, or any design you like. Draw a few smaller eggs peeking out from the top of the basket for added detail. Now, outline the entire drawing with a darker pencil or pen to make it stand out. It's time to color. Color the basket with a light brown or tan shade, leaving some areas blank to represent highlights. Use bright pastel colors like pink, blue, yellow, and green to fill in the eggs. Feel free to mix and match colors for a vibrant look. Once the coloring is done, go over any outlines or details to sharpen them up. Voila! You've created a beautiful Easter egg basket filled with uniquely designed eggs. Display your masterpiece proudly or give it as a gift to spread Easter cheer. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.